Okay, first of all, you make the tail of the bow, and I'm gonna use about 2 yards of ribbon, but whatever length you want your tail of your bow to be. This is about 2 yards. So I'm gonna cut this. And I usually go ahead and finish my tails of my bow first. So you're gonna fold the ribbon over, and you're gonna, this is called a dovetail. You're gonna start at the corner and cut up. So it makes it like a dovetail. And get a very good pair of scissors. Okay, so that's gonna be the tail of the bow. So this is just a simple bow. So I'm gonna take the end of my ribbon and I'm gonna scrunch that up between my thumb and my first finger. You're just gonna scrunch it up and you're gonna make a knot. This is gonna be the center of the bow. So then I'm gonna scrunch it up between those 2 fingers, and so that's the center of the bow. Since this is the back side of the ribbon, I'm gonna twist it to get it to the front side. Then I'm gonna make a small loop, and then I'm gonna scrunch it up between those 2 fingers. Then I'm gonna twist it again to get the front of the ribbon right. I'm gonna make a loop the same size as this one. Scrunch it up between my fingers. Then I'm gonna go back to the other side, opposite side, make a bigger loop. And I'll scrunch it up. Go to the opposite side, make a loop the same size as this one. Scrunch it up. Now, this is the size bow that I want to go on a swag or in a garland. If you want a fuller bow, you would just go back to this side, make another loop, another loop, another loop, another loop. So that makes your bow rounder. But I'm gonna go with the smaller loop. So I'm gonna cut this. Tuck that under just a little bit. Then I'm gonna take the tail of my ribbon and go under. Make sure your streamers are about the same length if that's the way you want it. If you want it to be a little bit shorter with one longer, you would just pull one side up a little shorter. I'm gonna do them even. Get that up under what you've just made. Then take a wrapped wire, wrapped floral wire, or you can use a pipe cleaner. This is called a pipe cleaner or a chenille stem. These will grasp a lot tighter. You can also get these in white instead of black, which I probably would have used, but then you're gonna go through your knot or through your loop and hold that with your thumb, and then pull your 2 ends very, very tight. Go to the back and get it as tight as you can and twist it. Okay, and then you can go back and fluff out your ribbon. This is a wired ribbon, so it shapes really well. Okay, so that's your bow.